Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you my remote control car that I built during my Dussehra holidays. This works using Bluetooth. So, the components of this remote control car are an Arduino Uno, an Auton shield, a battery, two motors, and of course, the HC05 Bluetooth module. So, I used a platform called Appinventor to make a very simple app. So I first connect my phone with this remote control car, and then I use these buttons to move it around. Here is a small demo on it.